Children, I already told cell has three parts. How many parts? Three parts. Plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay. So let's study the first part, plasma membrane. In last class, in 8th standard you studied what is plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering of all the cells. All the cells have a covering called as plasma membrane. It is also called as cell membrane. Remember, it is also called as cell membrane. Now, what is the function of plasma membrane? It protects the cell as well as gives shape to the cell. Protects the cell and gives shape to the cell. Now, in this class, we will learn about one more function, that it allows materials to go in and out of the cell. Okay? It allows materials to go in and out of the cell. But only selected materials go in and out of the cell. Not every material has a permission to go in and out of the plasma membrane. So that's why it is called as selectively permeable membrane. It's called as selectively permeable membrane. Got it? Okay. Next, how does it allow? Which are the processes by which the materials go in and out of the cell? So the first process is diffusion. Now what is diffusion? Children, if you have notebook and pencil with you or pen with you, write what is diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of materials. Movement of materials from high concentration to low concentration. Okay. It is movement of materials from high concentration to low concentration. In this diagram you see, inside the box the concentration of molecule is very less, outside it is very high. So the molecules are moving from high concentration to low concentration, and that movement is called as diffusion. It is called as diffusion. The gaseous exchange that takes place inside the body of living organism is due to diffusion. Okay. Now for example, the concentration of oxygen is more outside the cell, outside the body, and the concentration of carbon dioxide is more inside the body. Okay. So carbon dioxide diffuses out of our body and oxygen comes inside our body. In this way, gaseous exchange takes place because of the process of diffusion. Clear? So diffusion is nothing but the movement of materials from high concentration to low concentration. It is restricted to solids and gases. Okay. When it comes for water or any liquid, it is called as osmosis. So osmosis is a special kind of diffusion. It's a special kind of diffusion in which water molecules, remember, osmosis is a process of movement of water molecules from high concentration to low concentration. For example, we take the example of roots. You know, roots are inside the soil. So where is the water concentration more? Inside the soil, the water concentration is more. So root takes the water. We say that roots take the water from the soil. How? It is by osmosis. The water molecules from the soil will move from soil to the roots. So that movement is called as osmosis. And it is through osmosis that water molecules, water is absorbed by the roots of the plants. Okay. We'll continue in the next class.